Study how to embed audio and video in HTML page. So in HTML5 we have great tags which can help you simply embed audio and then video. So let's try that real quick and see how we can implement that inside our HTML5 code. Okay, so let me clear this real quick. We have a special tag for audio and it's called our audio tag. So let's do that with embedding audio first, then after that we embed video. So let's see here, we can have a control for the audio. So the control to control the audio, we have play and stop. So you need to add the controls to your audio tag. Okay, and then for another parameter we need to have is the SRC, which is the source of the audio. So here we need to have the source SRC, and then the source can be a URL or a file inside your folder. But for the first one, we're gonna include a file inside my folder. If you see the folder, I have a video here, but I'm looking for an audio, which is this one, and let's include this audio here real quick. So great, so this is the audio. Now we can save and then try it in the browser. Okay, so this is the audio I have in here.
Audio
so
jungle.
it's a sign of a bear. Great, so let's now see how to include a link. We can have a link in here anytime you click on it. So let's say audio link, but for this one, instead to use the SRC, we can use an anchor tag inside a paragraph tag, or let's just say an anchor tag instead of using audio tag, and it's going to play the audio anytime we click on the link. It's going to show the audio page so you could play it. So instead to use audio tag, we can use an anchor tag here, and we use href here. That is the hyper reference. Another way of doing it, the hyper reference here, and let me just include this inside a p tag so that it looks nice. I'm gonna copy the whole thing and place it inside a p tag. So let's save this and then see what we got. So we're gonna have a link, and when I click on this link, it takes me to the audio page. So this is another method of actually including audio on your page. So you can use the anchor tag, the href, and then reference to the file of the audio. But this time around, you need to click on a link before the audio opens. By using the audio tag, it gives you the audio and the controller straightforward on the HTML page without clicking a link. But let's see, how can we include a video? HTML also have a special tag for video. So for the video, we're still gonna have the control inside, but this is just an opening tag, so you see the difference. The audio have a closing. Then we have controls, and for controls we'll have controls in here, and then we'll have our source file, which is the SRC. No, I'm gonna give a space here, SRC. Then we're gonna call this file, which is the source, so medium, and then we save this. Let's save this and then see. Okay, so now with the video embedded tag, we have our video inside the HTML direct, which is really cool to implement. So that is how we